Brad Williams, XL Prime. Should you care about the background error checker? And first question you're asking, what's the background error checker? Well, we'll get to that in a second. Following the same pattern of these errors, we have another tool within the tool chest. Here it's under formulas, formula auditing, error checking. Let's just grab an error. Let's go to the ribbon, go to formulas, go to error checking up here under formula auditing, error checking, go to error checking, another dialog box. Error checking, help on this error, show calculation steps, ignore error, edit in formula bar. Options, it's going to take you over into the formulas in the back end. For the most part, I'm not going to even touch on this. What I'm trying to point out here is we have this tool. It says help on this error. Well, what does it do? How to correct the div error. So you can go through and read this, resume, show calculation steps. Well, we know all about this information. We got 4 divided by 0. We're kind of looking at the same thing that we saw previously. We have a thumbs down on this. We close it. Ignore error. Well, that doesn't help us. Edit in formula bar. Wow, what is that going to do? We already know the formula bar. We already know the information's up in the edit bar. So what good is this? Yeah, I'm going to let you make that decision. But that's the error checking tool found in formulas, formula auditing, error checking. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.